Hi viewers, how are you? Second video of number topic is approximation, estimation and rounding off. The first question we have to write it in 3 decimal place 4.0738. So third number after point is called 3 decimal place, which is 3, and its neighbor is 8. So it will round up. 3 will round up and other values will be finished, because in decimal each number after point is counted as significant figure. So it would be 4.074. Next question, and we have to convert first of all in one significant figure and then we have to solve this. So here's the first question. The first value is 8230. The first significant figure is 8. Its neighbor is 2. It will not round up, but its value will not be changed. So it remains 8000. Next is 0.64. 6 is the first significant figure. So 4 is neighbor. It will not round up. 0.6. Next is 18.7. First significant figure is 1. Neighbor is 8. It will 2. Value will not be changed. So it will be 20. So we can solve it. 240 is the answer. Next question, 9.37 whole square. So here 9 is the first significant figure. Neighbor is 3. It will remain 9. 9 square. The next one is 1046. So 1 is the first significant figure. 0 its neighbor. It will remain 1000. 100. All the 3 digits will now change into 0 because it is whole number. In whole number we have to write 0. So value will not be changed. So 1000 cube root will be 10. So our answer is 71. Next question, 6013. 6000. 0.0405, 0.04, 8.986. 9 its neighbor, it will round up, it will become 9. Square root of 9 will be 3. So 6000 multiply 0.04. In multiplication, I told you multiply the number 6000 with 4, it will be 24,000. Now in question, the number of digits after points 2. So in answer it should be also 2. So 240. So 240 divided by 3 is 80. P is the largest number, largest prime number between 50 and 100, and Q is the smallest number, smallest prime number between 50 and 100. So first of all we shall find P, the largest number, largest prime number less than 100. 99 multiple of 3, 98 multiple of 2, 97 prime number. Now from 50, 51 multiple of 3, 52 multiple of 2, 53. So P is 97 and Q is 53. So subtract this, we shall get 44. 4 multiply 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. So we shall check that where we should put the bracket. So if you put the bracket in first 2, it will become 8, and 8 multiply 4, 32 minus 4 not. In the end, 4 minus 4 bracket, we can solve it. 4 minus 4 0. Now 4 plus 4 multiply 0. First we have multiply. So 4 multiply 0, 0, and 0 plus 4, 4. Temperature decrease 6.5 degrees centigrade after every 1000 meter height. And at 2000, the temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. So what will be the temperature at 6000 meter? At 2000 it is 10. At 3000, 10 minus 6.5, 3.5. At 4000, 3.5 minus 6.5, minus 3. At 5000, minus 3 minus 6.5, minus 9.5. And at 6000, minus 9.5 minus 6.5, minus 16. So this is the practice of doing subtraction again and again in decimal. And next question, minus 2.3, minus 4.6, minus 1.2, minus 0.7, minus 1.4, minus 2.4, and minus 3.5. And we have to find the range. Range is the highest value minus lowest value. So highest value in negative, the lowest one, minus 0.7. and then minus of the formula, the difference, and the lowest value is we have 4.6. So minus 0.7 minus minus plus 4.6. So our answer would be 3.9. And values between minus 4 degrees centigrade and minus 2 degrees centigrade. So you can make number line and plot these numbers. You can easily find the number between minus 4 and minus 2 are minus 2.3, minus 2.4 and minus 3.5. Now the second last question, 6, 3, 8, and there are 8 zeros. So we have to convert that meter square into kilometer square. In the previous video I also told you that 1 million divided by 1 million, so we can get kilometer square. So here 63800 kilometer square. Now we have to write in two significant figures. So 3 is the second significant figure, neighbor is 8, it will be round up 64,000 kilometers square. Last question. In the last question we have 6, 4, 7, 8, 5, 4, 9, 1, and we have to round off nearest million. How many zeros in million? 6. So here we make 0 the last 6 digit. Now second digit is 4 after the 6 digits. The digit is 4 and its neighbor is 7. So it will become 65. So 65 million is our answer. Now let's see how many million like this. See you in the next video. Till then, next goodbye.